Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix meta verified option not showing on Instagram in iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having this type of problem that when you have opened your Instagram and find meta verified option and then you can't be able to see this option as you can see. So guys, how can you get this option? Easily you can get this option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, this problem is occur when you are using oldest version of Instagram. So guys, simply you need to upgrade your Instagram. So guys, how can you do this? You need to open your app store here in your iPhone, and guys, you need to search here Instagram. As you can see here, simply you need to update your Instagram from here. And guys, after doing update you will find many improvements in your Instagram app. So guys, by doing this method your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings, and guys you need to scroll it down, click on general, you need to click on iPhone storage, you need to offload your app, and guys you need to reinstall again. So guys, maybe you are facing any bug problem. After doing this your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, you need to open your Instagram app here. You need to click on main profile, click on settings and privacy, scroll it down, click on a help button, you need to click on report a problem. And guys, after this here you need to write your problem related to Instagram. And guys, after writing your problem that you're not facing meta verified option, and guys you need to upload a screenshot, and guys you need to send this problem within few hours. Your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.